The question asks the average power dissipated in the resistor. To obtain the solution, let us assume that diode is absent. Once we imagine that diode is absent, we connect here a simple straight conducting wire. Now, what will be the average power in the resistor? We know that average power is equal to Vrms square divided by R. Vrms is E naught by root 2, peak value divided by root 2. And then here we are left with this 1 by R. So it is E naught square by 2R. If it's a simple resistive circuit having this supply, then the power consumption is this much. Agree? And through the resistor, positive as well as negative cycle will pass. Positive, negative, everything will pass through this resistor. Okay. Now coming to the original question. In original question, we have a diode here. And then we have a resistor here. And it is connected to an alternating supply. E naught sine omega t. We know one thing, that diode is ideal and it conducts only when it is forward biased. So how will be the output waveform if this is the input supply? The sinusoidal supply is the input supply, the green color supply. I'm making it like this. This is the input supply, plus minus plus minus. Diode will conduct only when this cycle appears, because the diode will become forward bias, and in forward bias only the ideal diode conducts. In reverse bias, the ideal diode behaves as open circuit, infinite resistance. So how will be the output? If you check the output across resistor, you will get only the positive cycles across the resistor, means this and this. Agree? So earlier, in one full cycle of the source, the resistor was also consuming the entire full cycle. Now, for the one complete cycle of this source, this one, the resistor gets only half cycle, this, because here is no output. For one full cycle of the supply, the resistor gets only half of that supply. So whatever power resistor was consuming in this case, here in this case, the power consumed will be half of that. So here we got our answer. It should be half of that particular answer, E naught square by 2R. So actual answer is E naught square by 4R. Fire up the chat box if you have any doubt left. Stay awesome.